it's Mrs. Opfer. I need to know your opinion about a very important question. What's the best way to get around on your own? I bet you know my answer.
Hey kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Opfer, and I'm here today with my super cool friend Parker. Parker, give the friends a what's up.
What's up?
Oh, what's up? So, we've been talking about opinion writing in kindergarten, and our topic today has to do with the best way to get around on our own. Parker's vote is, dun 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 dun, what do you think, kinder friends? Oh yeah, it's faux show a bike. P is going to do some bike riding, and he told me to tell you why bikes are the best way to get around. Okay, let's watch him. He is such a professional bike rider. Here he goes. Parker said that riding a bike is the best way to get around on your own. Oh, he disappeared. He's going to come back. Hang tight, guys. He's coming back around. He was so fast. Parker said that riding a bike is the best way to get around on your own because you can go so fast. Look at him go. You can definitely go the fastest on a bike, P says. Oh, booyah. Bikes are the best way to get around on your own, and that is straight from Parker. Thanks, P. We'll see you later. Friends, here is another amazing choice for the question, what is the best way to get around on your own? This is my friend Quinn, and as you can guess, his vote is definitely, dun 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 dun, skateboard. Hey Quinn, do you have a sec to tell us why skateboarding is the best way to get around on your own?
It's really fun and you can do tricks, and it's just a great way to get around.
Amazing. Quinn, thanks for hanging out with us today.
No problem.
See ya.
Bye.
Scooters are for sure the best way to get around. It's easy to brake, easy to steer, and they're super lightweight. Scooters are the best. Oh yeah.
Hey there, opinion writers. It's Mrs. Opfer. Today we're going to talk about the best way to get around on your own. I cannot wait to hear your opinion. Let's read our question together. What is the best way to get around on your own? Oh, I did. I used a question voice. You saw that question mark, didn't you? What is the best way to get around on your own? Oh, I love choices. So let's check out some choices. Here we go. Maybe the best way to get around on your own is to ride your dun 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 bike. Ooh, I love those rainbow tassels and the flower basket. Okay, ooh, that could be my favorite. Maybe not. Remember, your opinion is what you think is best. It could be the same as someone else's or different, and that's okay. Maybe this is the best way to get around on your own. Skateboard. Okay, well, that's fantastic. Okay, maybe not, maybe not. Maybe this is the best way. Dun 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 dun, skates. Ooh, not for me. Or maybe it's none of these. You always know it's nice to be in charge of your own writing. Who's in charge? Oh, you are. You are the boss of your own opinion writing. So, wonderful writers, maybe you're going to choose something else. And I have to tell you something. That's what I chose today. What is the best way to get around on your own? A bike, a skateboard, skates, or something else? Now, writers, you know that when we share our opinion, we do these three things. Let's review from our last lesson. We think, decide, and explain. All right, I want you to think about it. Okay, thumb up when you've thought and you've decided on one choice. Bike, skateboard, skates, or something else. Okay, and now we're gonna get ready to explain. I'm gonna move my choices here and I wanna show you what I started working on. I'm not finished, but I have a great start. Okay, so here is my sample. I did not choose bike. It's great, but it's not for me. I did not choose skateboard, and I did not choose skates. I chose something else. And you know what? I did not work on my picture yet. Yikes! So I definitely need to do that during my independent writing time today, but I have a great start on my words. I want to read you my opinion story. Are you ready? I think riding a scooter is the best way to get around on my own. I am an awesome scooter rider. I can go so fast. Wow, I wrote a really long story. I wrote 3 sentences today. Wow, that was more than I wrote last time. I'm working hard. Now, I didn't use our special word because in this story. Using because is a great idea, but you can explain your thinking in other ways too. So I wanted to show you another choice because being in charge of your own writing means you have lots of choices. You definitely can use the word because. That's a great word that helps you explain your opinion. You can also give many reasons. So I chose to give some reasons that I am an awesome scooter rider and that I can go so fast. Maybe today you're going to try to write a story with many sentences. I can't wait to see what you work on, writers. We'll see you soon. Bye.